All right, my friends, I am here in Boston Common, here with my two of my cameras, and I'm kind of whispering to some extent because I'm supposed to be helping with the wedding proposal. Here, taking photos, capturing that special moment. Another one. I've had a few wedding proposals now, quite a few. This is another one. This is actually a Taskrabbit job. So again, you can make pretty good money doing a variety of things on Taskrabbit, including photography, and for things that are significant and meaningful for people, like a proposal. But the one thing I'm questioning today is this location. Usually Boston Common and the pond is a nice place to capture the moment, but as you guys can see, yeah, it's not looking so hot. You know, the other concern that one should always have in these situations is hoping that the bride or bride-to-be says yes, because you never know. You know, but I'm always optimistic and hopeful that that you know, everyone will walk away happy and smiling, and you know, she'll say yes and whatnot. So yeah, but again, this location, I'm like, the timing is, this is not the best time of the year to take photos at Boston Common. And the other tricky thing is I coordinated this with a friend and not neither of the two. And so I'm like, all right, where are they? So, he might be calling me. Got to keep it moving.